Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to see this question. The question says if alpha and beta are the roots of x squared minus px plus q, it is equals to 0, form an equation whose roots are. We shall see how to form an equation in what? In the symmetrical function of what? Of the roots. So how can we form an equation? If alpha and beta are the roots of x squared minus px plus q, it will be equals to 0. Form an equation whose roots are alpha beta plus beta and what? And alpha beta minus alpha beta. So the first thing that we are going to do is that I have to say that first we have to name two things. Let's take lambda. Let's say that lambda 1, it will be equals to this first equation. Alpha beta plus alpha plus what? Plus beta. And the second, let's say lambda 2, it will be equals to what? Alpha beta minus what? Alpha minus beta. So if we take a look at x squared minus what? Minus px plus q, it will be equals to 0. So we have to first find the sum of the root and the product of the roots. The sum of the roots, which is alpha plus beta, it will be equals to what? So first, alpha plus beta, it is minus b over a. Yes, we know that. So therefore, what's the value of b? This is the value of a, this is the value of b, and this is the value of what? This is the value of c. So therefore, the value of b, will be equals to minus 1, which is, I have the constant in the formula, which is negative, and therefore I have the value of b, which is negative what? Negative 1, divided by what? A. The value of a, it is also what? 1. So therefore, the value of what? The value of b, I have to take the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x, it is what? It is p. So therefore, I have to put what? Negative what? Negative p. This will be equals to positive. So therefore, p divided by 1, it will give you what? P. So therefore, the sum of the root, which is what? Which is p. Yes. So what of the product of the roots? The product of the root, which is alpha beta, it will be equals to what? Alpha beta, it will be equals to c over a. So what is the value of c? The value of c, which is q over the value of a, which is 1. So therefore, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to q. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I have to say that x squared minus the product of the roots. Okay, the sum of the roots. The sum of the roots, let's say alpha, okay, sorry, lambda 1 plus what? Plus lambda 2, and then plus what? Okay, we have x plus what? Plus the product of the root, which is lambda 1 multiplied by what? Lambda 2, and it will be equals to 0. So what is the next thing that I'm going to do? The next thing is that I have to simplify what? I have to simplify this lambda 1 and this lambda 2. So therefore, lambda 1, it will be equals to what? What is the value of alpha beta? The value of alpha beta, which is q, and therefore plus what? The value of the product rule plus what? Plus the sum of the roots. The sum of the root, which is p. So therefore, this is what? Lambda 1, the new lambda 1. So therefore, the new lambda 2, it will be equal to the product of the root, which is q. The product of the root is q. And therefore, what of the sum of the root? This is not sum of the root because we have alpha minus what? Beta. So since alpha plus beta, it is equals to what? What is alpha plus beta? It is equals to p. So therefore, alpha minus beta, it will be equals to minus p. I hope you get it. So therefore, it will be what? Alpha minus beta minus what? Minus p. So therefore, this is the value of what? This is the value of lambda 1. This is the value of alpha minus beta, and this is the value of alpha beta minus what? Alpha minus beta. So the next thing that we are going to do is that I have to sum this, and therefore I have to find the product of what? This. This is the new alpha beta, and therefore this is a new what? Sorry, this is a new lambda 1, and therefore this is a new what? Lambda 2. So let's check whether we are right. This is, we find the value of alpha beta, and we have the value of alpha plus beta, yes, and therefore we have the value of this, and then we have the value of what? We have the value of this. Yes, we make it right. So what the next thing to do? I hope you are getting it. So the next thing I have to say that the lambda plus what? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2, it will be equals to what? What is the value of lambda 1? The value of lambda 1, it is q plus what? P plus what? Plus lambda 2 q minus p. Yes. So what is the next thing to do? I have minus what? Plus p minus p. It will go. So therefore I have what? Q plus q, it will be equals to what? 2q. This will be equals to what? 2q. So what of the multiplication? Sorry, the product. The product rule, which is lambda 1 and lambda 2, it will be equals to what? This is q plus p, and then what? And then q minus what? Q minus p. So if I say q times q, it will give me what? Q squared, and q multiplied by p, it will be what? Negative